In this video, we are looking at a problem involving the sums of angles in a triangle. The problem is, using the diagram below, find the value of x and the measure of each missing angles in the triangle. And here is the diagram of the triangle. So, LMN. We are given angle M as 35 degree. Angle N is 2x minus 10 degree, and angle L is 3x plus 20 degree. We first have to find the value of x and then find the measure of each angle. Okay, in a problem like this, what we know is that the sums of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So that's a fact. The sums of the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, which means angle L plus angle N plus angle M, they have to all add up to 180 degrees. What is angle N? Let's go back to the diagram. Angle L, is 3x plus 20. So angle L is 3x plus 20. And angle N is 2x minus 10. So that is 2x minus 10. And angle M is 35 degrees. All these must add up to 180 degrees. So this way, we have to add all the like terms together, just like solving algebraic expression. And what this will give me is 5x plus 20 minus 10 plus 35 gives me 180 degrees. So still we collect the like terms. This will give me 5x, 20 minus 10 is 10 plus 35, that is 45. This gives me 180 degrees. So let's continue this on the next page. So what we have is 5x plus 45 equals to 180. So this is an equation. So we have to subtract 45 from both sides, because this is a positive sign. You subtract 45 from both sides of the equation. That will give me 5x equals to 180 subtract 45 will give me 135 degrees. So in order to find the value of x, we divide 5 both sides. Therefore, x is equal to 27 degrees. Excellent. So we found the value of x, which was the first question. The second question was find the value of each angle. So angle L was equal to 3x plus 20. Okay, so that was 3x plus 20, but we know that x is 27 now, plus 20. 3 times 27, that is 81 degrees, plus 20, which is equal to 101 degrees. That's angle L. What about angle N? Angle N is equal to 2x minus 10. But we know that 2x is 27 minus 10. So 2 times 27 is 54 degrees minus 10 degrees. This is equal to 44 degrees. We can check if all the angles add up to 180. So 101 plus 44, that is 145, plus the other angle, which was 35. and indeed this all adds up to 180. I hope that was helpful. I'll stop it there for today. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.